Good morning. I'm off on a road trip again. Where might I be going this time? Well, you'll have to wait and see, but... Right, let's go. Okay, going to work. Not the most normal of days. Let's get out so I don't scrape the garden wall. Normally I'm working fairly local to home, which is Sandbach in Cheshire. But today we've got a bit of a journey. Just get past this car, thank you very much. Oh my god, it's pretty hot on. Yee. Right. So thank you. Today we are going to a village called Tong, and it is in the Highlands of Scotland. It's as far north as you can go without getting your feet wet, virtually. And it's going to take me roughly, sat-nav says 9 hours to get there. No, it's not. It's going to be more like 11 or 12. As I said, the van is 3.5 ton weight class, and I am absolutely on the limit. As long as I don't get stopped in the first 100 miles or so, I should be okay. I went to Public Weybridge yesterday. I hadn't got all my like food, clothes, and a few of the tools and bits and bobs in, but I was pretty well fully laden, and the van weighed 3280 kilos, 3,280. That was with a full tank of fuel. It feels heavy. Living in Cheshire, there aren't that many hills. Well, not in this bit anyway. So I haven't felt how underpowered the engine is, but undoubtedly I will, because Scotland, it's got a few mountains. I'll be going up them, hopefully. Well, not intentionally. So there you go. Right, 11 hours and 40 minutes later, I've arrived. I've actually been in the house a little while, and I had a bite to eat, a glass of wine, and feeling a little bit more relaxed. The actual driving time was 10 hours and 6 minutes, but there was some stops for fuel and food and just for a break. And the fact that I've got a cold is actually quite useful, because I need it as a comfort break more often than I otherwise would. So that was actually quite useful, because it forced me to stop, and that was quite safe. You should stop for 15 minutes every 2 hours, they recommend. So there we go. And it was 495 miles. So when I said between 11 and 12 hours, I was absolutely bang on. The last 35 miles is a single track with passing places, and that is the A836, I think, between Lairg and Tong. And that was hard work. That's the most demanding bit of driving I've done in a long time, because if you're going to get it wrong, you're going to get it spectacularly wrong. And but I never saw it. There was no other vehicles on the road, nothing coming towards me, nothing going with me, so I had the road to myself, and I was very grateful for that. The house I'm in is lovely. This was one I was in about 2 years ago, doing the family bathroom. I'll show you around tomorrow, but this is day 0 of can I do 4 weeks work in 2.5. We'll see. Anyway, I am absolutely cream crackered, and I think I'm going to turn in for the night and catch up with you tomorrow.